Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Muhammad Aslam MA and welcome to this video where we are going to examine all the three fossas, that is cubital fossa, popliteal fossa and femoral triangle. So let's start with cubital fossa. We are going to see the boundaries and its contents and compare with other two fossas and triangle. So first we will define the cubital fossa. So we'll first draw the medial side boundaries. Before that, if you are liking this video, do subscribe to my channel and support my channel. So the medial side consists of brachialis and also formed by another muscle called pronator teres. While we'll write it as a medial side, then while the lateral side it consists of the brachioradialis. This is important because there is similarity with the popliteal fossa. So we'll now try to label the contents of the cubital fossa. So the cubital fossa contents can be remembered with the help of the mnemonic MPPS. BBS, so it starts with medial nerve, which is the medial most structure. Then there is the brachial artery, followed by biceps tendon, and then we have the superficial branch of the radial nerve, or sometimes denoted as just the radial nerve. So these are the contents of the cubital fossa. So it consists of the medial nerve, brachial artery, biceps brachii tendon, and superficial radial nerve. We'll label them one by one. Now we'll draw the contents in the cubital fossa. So first comes the radial nerve, then the brachial artery, then we'll draw the cubital, and we'll draw the biceps brachii tendon. So do like and subscribe to this channel and support me in making future videos. So we are going to draw the biceps brachii tendon. Then this can be palpated to take blood from the brachial artery during phlebotomy. Then there is the superficial radial nerve. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. The medial nerve, brachial artery, biceps brachii tendon and superficial radial nerve from medial to lateral. Do like and subscribe to this channel, and we are going to continue to the femoral triangle. Please do comment if you are liking this video. Now the femoral triangle consists of the sartorius as its lateral boundary, and then there is the adductor longus as the medial boundary, and the upper part is by the inguinal ligament. So we'll start labeling the sartorius muscle first, then we'll label the adductor longus muscle, which all makes both the content as well as the boundary of the femoral triangle. Now we are labeling with the green the inguinal ligament. So first sartorius, then adductor longus. We'll label the medial and lateral part for easy identification. So the adductor longus is at the medial side, while sartorius is at the lateral side. Now please do remember that adductor longus forms the boundary as well as the content of the femoral triangle. Now we are going to write the other contents of the femoral triangle, and here we use the mnemonic van, VAN. So femoral triangle contains from medial, medial to lateral. Medial to lateral consists of van structures. So the medial most structure is femoral vein, then femoral artery, then the femoral nerve. So the femoral nerve is lateral most. So the femoral vein and femoral artery are itself in uh, is grouped inside the femoral sheath. So we'll write that also. So the femoral triangle consists of the femoral vein, femoral artery and femoral nerve, of which the femoral vein and femoral artery are inside the femoral sheath. Now we will draw the structures in the femoral triangle from medial to lateral. So the first thing is the femoral vein, then the femoral artery, and both these structures are enclosed inside the femoral sheath. So we'll draw a femoral sheath using our green pen. So the femoral vein and the femoral artery are enclosed inside. Then we will draw the nerve, that's the femoral nerve. So it's outside and the most lateral of the three structures. So these are the main contents of the femoral triangle. So to make this more beautiful, let's define the bones that are running through the behind the triangle. So we'll have the femur and the pelvic part bones. So this makes the diagram more appealing and beautiful. So these are the contents and the femoral triangle. Now let us move on to before that we'll label the inguinal ligament. So these are the contents and the boundaries of the femoral triangle. Now let's move on to the third fossa that we are going to learn, that is the popliteal fossa. So if you are liking this video, do like and subscribe. So the popliteal fossa consists of mainly four muscles. The medial side consists of the semimembranosus and semitendinosus, which I am drawing now, and the lateral side consists of the biceps femoris, and below there is medial and lateral gastrocnemius. So to identify the medial side, the easiest way is to identify the semimembranosus and semitendinosus combination. If you remember, in the cubital fossa, the brachialis and pronator teres are the two group of muscles which were in the medial side, while brachioradialis was in the lateral side. Similarly, here semimembranosus and semitendinosus are in the medial side, while biceps femoris is in the lateral side. So we are going to label biceps femoris in the lateral side. So that's a easy way to remember both the fossas, cubital and popliteal fossa. Not to confuse, easy way not to confuse the medial and lateral side. Now we are going to label the medial and lateral gastrocnemius. Now again, the contents of the femoral triangle, popliteal fossa. There is popliteal artery, which is the deepest structure. Hence, popliteal pulse is not easily felt. Then there is popliteal vein. Then popliteal vein, then followed by the presence of two nerves, that is the tibial nerve and the common peroneal nerve, which are divisions of the sciatic nerve. So the sciatic nerve divides into the tibial and common peroneal nerve. Also to note is the popliteal vein is the SSV terminates into the popliteal vein. So tibial and common peroneal nerve are from the sciatic nerve. Now we are going to draw and label these structures in the popliteal fossa. So let's begin labeling all the three contents, and do subscribe to my channel and support me. So the first we are going to label the the popliteal artery, which is the deepest structure. Then we are going to label the popliteal vein, and finally we will draw and label the tibial tibial nerve, which is more medial than the common peroneal nerve, which is lateral. So the medial nerve which is dividing from the sciatic will be the tibial nerve, and the lateral one will be the common peroneal nerve. So can lead to injury to the common peroneal nerve can lead to foot drops. So we are going to label 1, 2, 3, and 4 as popliteal artery vein and all the nerves. Thank you for watching this video.